The first stage of the editor is called Writer's Notebook. This is the space where users can collect and organize all the ideas that will later serve as the foundation for their writing. Here, they can create, edit, and manage notes, concepts, and story elements before starting the actual drafting process. As ideas are added, the panel on the right automatically analyzes the content and extracts key entities such as characters, locations, and important concepts. Clicking on any of these extracted entities will highlight the note where it was originally mentioned, making it easy to navigate and explore connections between ideas. The Writer's Notebook also includes a Help Me feature. Whenever users need inspiration or assistance connecting their ideas, they can click this button to generate suggestions. These suggestions can help develop new concepts, create links between existing ideas, or build potential storylines. Users can browse through the generated suggestions one by one using the navigation controls. In addition, the creativity slider allows them to adjust the type of suggestions they receive. The scale ranges from more logical and structured ideas to increasingly creative and imaginative ones. With 5 different creativity levels available, users can choose whether they want realistic and coherent suggestions or more original and unexpected ideas to inspire their writing.